I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully.
So, I believe I have shared in the past with you some of my ad icon pops that I just got. I told you I wanted to try to build up my collection of these, so I got a few new ones, and I was going to share those with you. I was able to find Twinkie the Kid, and I'm very happy to say I was able to find Colonel Sanders. So Colonel Sanders, he's a common pop supposedly, but I'm not seeing him on the shelves anywhere. So if you are looking for him, I was able to find him in Barnes & Noble. So that was a lucky catch for me. It's the one holding the chicken barrel, not the one with his cane, but I am very, very happy. And I got one in the mail too. So this one I got off of eBay. And we'll see what shape it came in. So it's got some paper and some bubble wrap. Some more bubble wrap, and I'm sure you can see what it is already now. It is Snap, Crackle, and Pop, the Rice Crispies guys. So these were limited edition from the Funko shop, yeah, in a 3-pack here, and they look like they are in good condition. So I am very happy. And I encourage you to go out, and if you like all of the different merchandising campaigns from the past with cereals or Colonel Sanders or whatever, these are really nice. So add to your collection. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.